To connect MetaMask to Athene network, start by opening the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app. If you do not have MetaMask installed, download and install it from the official website. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. Next, click on the Add Network button in the MetaMask interface. This will open a new window where you can enter the network details. In the network name field, enter Athene network. In the new RPC URL field, enter the RPC URL provided by Athene network. The chain ID is typically provided by the network, so enter the chain ID for Athene network. After entering the network details, click the Save button to add the Athene network to MetaMask. Once the network is added, you can switch to the Athene network by selecting it from the Network drop-down menu in MetaMask. To interact with the Athene network, you will need to have some Athene network tokens in your MetaMask wallet. You can obtain these tokens by purchasing them on a cryptocurrency exchange or by receiving them as a transfer from another user. Once you have tokens in your wallet, you can use MetaMask to interact with decentralized applications on the Athene network. Make sure to keep your MetaMask wallet and private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access to your tokens. By following these steps, you can easily connect MetaMask to the Athene network and start exploring the decentralized applications and services available on the network.